Hello everyone, in this video I got some Hexclad cookware including pressure cooker. That's right. So welcome to Sanamskitchen. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe for the future uploads. So let's start with this kadhai that I got from India, and all the items are from India. So this is a wok. It comes with the lid and it is a pretty decent size for my family. I have a family of 3, so it is very good, and it is triple layered and it compatible with all the stove top, and the price for this is around 4,000 Indian rupees. Now the size, it's 8.25 inch wide and about 3 inch deep, which is ideal for a family of 3, or if you're making something in a small quantity, this is even a good size. So I really like the dual handle and stainless steel finish. Now next one is also a wok, and this one is a little bit bigger. It's a 22 centimeters or around 9 inches or so, and it has a single handle, and it also comes with the lid, the glass lid, and the stainless steel handle, and it is also a Hexclad or a hexagon non-stick ware. Now it is really beautiful. I really like it because you don't have to use those toxic non-stick pans anymore, especially if you're cooking it for a longer time. And this is also compatible with all the stove tops, and I have a bigger size in 12 inches, which you probably saw in my previous videos, and it is really nice. It blends with all my kitchenware, and you can put it into the oven also, and it is dishwasher safe. This is 9 inches wide and 3 inches tall, and I have added all the links in the description box. Most of them are in Amazon India links, but if you're looking for to purchase here in US, I have also included them. Now the next one is really exciting. It's a pressure cooker, which is also a Hexclad, and I really like it. So I got this one in size, I believe this is 3 liters, and when they shipped it, they actually dismantled handles and everything, so I have to reattach them. So these are the handles, and it is has a stainless steel bottom, and it is compatible with all the stove tops. And yeah, it is 3 liters, and this is from Prabha. Also the kadai was also from the same company, and I'm going to attach all the handles. Glad that I didn't lose any of the screws. Okay, so this one is about 8 inches wide and about 5 inches in height, or 4.5, I would say. Yeah, 4.5 inches tall. So this is a really nice size, and this is the whistle. It's pretty heavy. It's really heavy, and it comes with this indentation. I guess it prevents over spilling. जो लोग प्रेशर कुकर यूज़ करते हैं उनको तो पता ही होगा कैसे अगर हम लोग दाल वाल बॉईल करते हैं तो कैसे सारा उभर के बाहर आ जाता है, तो वो सब नहीं होना चाहिए इसमें। तो इसको मैंने टेस्ट किया है और ये बिल्कुल भी बाहर नहीं आ रहा है, तो आई रियली लाइक दैट कि भाई ओवर स्पिल नहीं करेगा और मेरा स्टोव टॉप भी ख़राब नहीं करेगा. Next thing is this Tava. It's a griddle, and it is really beautiful. This is from Hawkins, and it is a very good company in India, and I really like that. The price is around 1,700 rupees. It has this wooden handle, and again it is compatible with all the stove top. Beautiful, बहुत अच्छा है. This is 9.5 inches wide, So this is ideal for dosa or roti or paratha, whatever you want to make. And it is a flat, so it's not going to wobble on your stove. And this is the another size of the cooker I got. It's very very small. It's 1.5 liter. I ordered this because I wanted a smallest one so that I can cook small amount of item for like one person. Or if you have a babies in the house, you can cook like a dal, or like boiled vegetables just for the babies. I had that when my son was really young, when he was about 6 months old. So yeah, this comes really handy, स्पेशली आप कुछ बहुत ही कम अमाउंट में बनाना चाहते हो। जैसे मैंने रिसेंटली अभी पानी पूरी बनाई थी, तो उसके लिए मैंने पीस है येलो पीस वो उबाले थे, तो उसके लिए ये बहुत ही परफेक्ट था बिकॉज़ मुझे थोड़ा ही अमाउंट यूज़ करना था और मुझे बहुत बड़ा कुकर नहीं चढ़ाना था। तो ये एकदम परफेक्ट रहता है कुछ छोटा बनाने के लिए। तो आई रियली लाइक इट और मैं हाईली रेकमेंड करती हूँ। ये बहुत ही अच्छा कुकर है, बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से इसमें कुक हो जाता है, ओवर स्पिल नहीं होता है। So I really like that. So I have in 1.5 and I have in 3 liter. And make sure to get some extra rings and the valves. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time with another video. Till then, bye bye.